Hello guys, another video from my car as every Saturday, and Saturday is a sacred day on this YouTube channel, so that's why we make a delay, a pause in the course of Travel Course API, because Saturday is a video from my car day. And topic will be pretty short today because I see quite a lot of tweets recently in recent months, like in April or May. There was almost a competition of what is cool. So PHP is cool again, Laravel is cool again, or React or Vue people kind of discovering PHP and Laravel for the first time. And then in general there's quite a lot of competition involved, like whether Laravel is cooler than Symfony, whether React is cooler than Vue, and a lot of tweets and discussions about which is cooler, not only on Twitter, on Reddit, on any social media platforms and stuff like that. And I think it's a pointless waste of energy. As a developer, I don't need PHP to be cool. I don't need Laravel to be cool. I need it to work for me so I could create great projects with that. If it's used by 80% of the market or 20% of the market, I don't care that much. Of course, there are exceptions, like if some tool doesn't get popular enough for people to write packages for that or tutorials for that, then developers are kind of screwed in quite narrow ecosystem. So I've seen packages and tools kind of dying this way because they didn't get popular enough to get traction, to get usage. But in general, if we think broader terms in terms of favorite popular languages or frameworks, it's not a competition. And it's pretty silly to me to watch those tweets of Laravel is cool again or PHP is cool or cooler. Yeah, it's kind of fun if you read for the first like 3 tweets, but then you realize that kind of high school is over and pointless bragging time is kind of silly, at least in my opinion. And then we go back to actually not proving that something is cooler, but proving that you can do something cool with that tool. So instead of tweeting PHP is cool or Laravel is cool, you can create something with that and tweet about, see how cool thing is that I've created with PHP and Laravel. That is much more useful, valuable, and even for yourself, you could put that into your portfolio or GitHub or whatever. So this is where, again, I repeat the same message that I'm talking about this week about shipping. So I've launched Laravel mentorship program this week for you to actually ship something, and I will repeat it more and more and often. Tweet on social media when you ship something. That is much more valuable than discussions about what is cool. If you are a developer, if you earn money from that, it's already cool, no matter what language or framework you use. I hope this message is resonating with you, but let's discuss in the comments if you have something to add. And see you guys in other videos.